Hello viewers, welcome once again to Frequency Online Mass. The time is almost 11 o'clock, so you'll be wondering why my voice is like this. So it's just late at night, just and I want to solve this question. So one of our colleagues posted this question, Moses Elijah. So I just love the question. I love how he solved it. He used function of a function. I was so impressed how he solved the question. But on a second thought, I passed the question. I now scrolled back again. I said, am I not seeing 1 over cos squared x? That I can apply trigonometry to this question. So that's why mathematics is what? Sweet. So I want to use an alternative method to solve this question to see that math is what? Sweet. Any method you use, you are still going to land where at the same answer. So we write our solution. So our y is equals to, now remember that in trigonometry that if you have 1 over cos theta, that is equals to what? Sec theta. Now if you have 1 over cos squared theta is equals to what? Sec squared theta. So this is what? Trigonometry. Now we can replace this 1 over cos squared theta as what? Sec squared x. Sorry, 1 over cos squared as what? Sec squared x. Now you can say let u equals sec x. Then our y will be what? U squared. So let's differentiate. We are differentiating u with respect to x. It will be the u all over the x is equals to, the derivative of sec x is what? Derivative of sec x is sec x tan x. Sec x tan x. If you go to my previous video, I did the derivative of all these trig functions from sine to what? Cot. Now let's differentiate this y. It will be the y over the u. We are differentiating y with respect to what? U. This one is the dependent variable. This one is the what? Independent variable. So it's equals to what? Differentiating u squared will be what? 2u. So we are going to have that the y over the x is sec x tan x, and this one. So using function of a function, or you can call it what? Chain rule. You know that chain rule is telling us if you have, okay, function of a function, if you have something like d over the x of f of g of x, this thing is what? A function, and another function inside what? Another what? Function, that is equals to what? F prime, that's differentiated f of g of what? X multiplied by g prime of what? X. Now this chain rule again is telling us that that's function of a function. You can call it what? Chain rule. It's telling us again that if you have the y over the x, that if you have the y over the x, that is equals to what? The y over the u times the u all over the x. So we are going to apply it here. Bringing this down is going to be, we have our du already, which is what? Sec x tan x times our the y is what? 2u. So recall that our u is what? Sec x. So we are going to have 2u times sec x tan x. So we are going to replace this thing with what? Sec with what? Sec x. So we have 2 sec x times sec x tan x. So sec x times sec x is what? 2 sec squared x tan x. This is our what? Answer. If you want to break it down to get Sir Moses Bliss answer,